Alright guys, welcome back again with me, and now I wanna review and unboxing my package from, I don't know, absolutely, or I what's buy something from online market. Alright, yes, this is my package, or this is the something I needed. Alright, and now I wanna show you for unboxing or review this product. Alright. First I wanna set up my camera because I don't have the tripod. Alright guys, see, oh, and now I wanna unboxing. This is so heavy because this package be for my motorcycle, and I will open it. First I want open the top from the top of the package. In this in this change, I open with the knife. Alright. Oh my god, man, my package. If you know impact range for motorcycle, this is the impact range for motorcycle. Alright. Oh my god, man, you look at that. The brand is Ecosen. This is so cheap because I don't have a lot of money, and I'm by the entry level of this is the impact range. I'm sorry, I'm so happy because, oh god, man, this is so heavy. Oh my god, look at that, man. In front of the box we can see the picture from the product, and then the title or the box, or this is the brand Ecosen. And then in another side we can see the product advent. What's that? I don't know what's how to say it. Product advantage. Number one, you look at it. Number one, it's all copper motor and high efficiency battery, and then strong power. Number four is multi-purpose with one machine, and durable and durable. What's that? I don't know. And power recovery. And then number seven, numerical control panel, and then infinitely variable speed, and then shock absorbing material. Alright, this is the certificate for this product. And in the behind box we can see the product with what's the title or the brand of the product. and the side right and right side and left side we maybe the same. All right, and I will open this. Oh my god, man! Oh my god, man! You look at that. Oh, this is the impact range. All right. After I'm open this box, we can have or we can see the lithium electric tool operation instruction. This is maybe like the manual book for how to operate or how to operate this product. All right, and in the front of the manual book we can see the range and then impact range, and this is for range. What's maybe this for the what's you look at that, this is for the wall or for the wood, and another for the what's the construction area. All right, and in the what under the picture, as all of the picture we can see read through carefully and understand this instruction before use. Alright, he say for read the instruction before you use this product or this product. Alright, and we can see the inside inside of the manual book. You look at that in this what's in this page we can see the general safety rules. You can see that general safety rules for all battery operated tools. Alright, maybe same for all the battery operate. Alright, work area and personal safety and tool use and care. Alright, and you can see and you can read this session, and then in the behind manual book you can see the charging indicator, and then push forward and push for reverse, push to center to lock. Alright, I understand. And then charging indicator, like you can see charger into the power source. You look at that, the icon, maybe the icon can explain with the picture art. And then charging it's maybe something like that. After charging maybe 100%, and then battery abnormal, I don't know, maybe battery abnormal can in the my product, because this is the new product, maybe is not abnormal battery. Alright, and then battery temperature, and then light icon green, red, and another you can see that green for indicator state, green on, red off, and then green off, red on, and then green on, red off, green red flick, green off, red flick. Alright. Alright, and then we continue to this battery. Alright, this is the battery in the what's in the under the impact range. we use this battery for the impact wrench, and then we can get the charging for the charging the battery, and the charging in here. You look at that. In the here we can see the hole, and the hole we can use this charging, because this charging can into here, right? I wanna try it. Oh my god, the camera is blur. Oh. Alright, I'm trying it. Alright, this is so proper, and maybe like that. And then the main product, oh no, in the product we can get another mata sock, or the eye sock, or I don't know. Actually the size is 21, and then we can get the size, the 19. Oh my god, man. 19, you can you look at that. Yeah, 19. This is the 21 and 19, and last one is 17. Oh my god, man. Oh shit, man. I need the 24, or what's 2022. Alright, the 22 for my motorcycle, but in here don't have for my motorcycle. And then we get the another things like this for the, yeah, look at that. This is for the another alright, for another sock, or for another thing. Yeah, here look at that. In this tool we can get the plus range and minus range, and yeah, the plus is 2 range, and then this is the adapter, or another I don't know. And the main product, oh my god, this is so beautiful and so heavy. You look at that. Yeah, this is so heavy, man. Oh my god. Boom. Alright, I wanna try it, but for the first I wanna read again. Alright, push for forward and push for reverse. Push for forward. Alright, maybe this is the forward, and I wanna use the battery, maybe like that. Like that. Alright. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. And I wanna try it. Oh my god, man. Oh, what's that, bro? I don't know what's that. Oh shit, man. Oh my god, man. Look at that. You should like that. You should see that. Fast. Oh my god, man. This is for another, maybe like the CVD or another thing for the motorcycle. Yeah, look at that. Oh my god, man. And maybe that's all for me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.